Ang daming pera.
Ayan.
Sana all! Yan po!
Wish mo yan, di ba?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Alam mo! Happy birthday, Mom! Wala na ka? Pag-upusan lang ako. Ito pa, Ma'am. Meron pa po. Ang dami mong bouquet, Ma'am. Ano pa po, Ma'am? Gibalon na pa ina. Ano pa, Ma'am? Happy birthday! Ano kayo, Ma'am? Yan po! May tawa. Iiyak si Ma'am. Naiiyak. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Big Princess Ken or Bibilin. Hello, Nak. Happiest birthday to you, Nak. Sorry, Nak. I'm not there now. I cannot see you in person. How's good look to wear that beautiful things for your special day. Gustuhin ko man, hindi talaga ako makauwi sa special day mo. I could not to do anything to you now, to hug and kiss you. But you know that you are very special to me. Kahit wala ako dyan sa tabi nyo for so long time. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ng mga kapatid mo. Andito lang ako lagi, nagmamahal at gumagabay sa inyo kahit malayo ako. Lagi akong nakasubaybay sa iyo at sa mga kapatid mo, kahit through phone lang. Nak, you're my special, but I could not do anything now. But you always remember I'm here always with you. No matter what happens, dito kayo lagi sa puso't isip ko. Minuto, hindi ko kayo naalis sa puso't isip ko. I'm so sad for it's because I not that to guide you at the same thing. I am so happy even I'm not there. Na iparamdam ko naman yung tamang pagmamahal ko sa inyo bilang isang ina. I am not a perfect mom, but I show you what is good and bad things. I'm really proud of you as my such a wonderful daughter. But I'm always keeping your heart at Mama always loving you. Kahit minsan napapagalitan ka para makita mo yung tama at mali. You know how much I love you. And above all, I thank the Lord for giving you another year in life. Praying for the best in you, physically and spiritually. We are all love you. I wish your happiest birthday. More blessings you, some good health. Happy birthday, Nak, and more candles to blow. Happy birthday again, and God bless you always. Always loving you, Mama.
Thank you po sa lahat ng effort nyo. Kahit wala po kayo dito. Na-appreciate ko po.
Do you want to know? bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and we're smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed